What's up, everybody? Got a little update on the 87 Fox Body. I'm into the sanding stage now. Got everything off. This down here collects a lot of moisture. On the other side is where the air gets sucked in to your vents, your AC unit. There's a lot of moisture out here because, like I said, the rain gets in there. So there's going to be moisture out here. It's going to be rusted, but this is all the surface rust. Not anything through the metal in here. So this is just, I'm glad I took that off and checked this out, and I put that new one on there. I've never seen this, and I'm just going to take my time. It's winter time, like I said, and take it piece by piece. I mean, the car is in great shape, but I do want it to last forever. So, but the thing I found is easiest, well, not the easiest, I'm all cut up, as you can see from getting in there, but you take a flat piece of, you can reach in there pretty far. And you can go on the other side, reach in there, from over there back in there. And I took a wire brush. You can do a wire brush and all that. I even went to Lowe's this morning and bought this drill with this extension that flexes. Not really good. Thing about it though, $20, $25, and I'll use it some other time somewhere else. But right here, it's not good. It bounces around too much, and when you get these corners here, it don't go in there very good. It's just not, it's more struggle than it is just to sand by hand. But anyways, then I started down there, but that's hard because you got to reach your hand back in there to get that, and that's going to be hard to even paint, even sand. But I'm going to have my kids, they got smaller arms. I'll probably have to reach back there and just at least get all the, I ain't looking to get bare metal, I'm just looking to get all the scaling off, all the loose stuff off. Because I don't care if you got $10,000 paint, if you don't prep the surface, it will not stick. That's one thing about painting. You have to have a good base, a good place for the moisture's gone, where paint can stick. And that's what I'm going to do there. Over there, I don't care about the discoloring. That over there is pretty good. I want to soap and water that, clean that out. Then I'll use this to wipe everything down before I paint. That's a good product. And I was going to use this Rust-Oleum Rust Reformer, but I've decided not on this because, as you can see, how are you going to get a spray can back there to spray back there and get even coverage? I did buy a tip that goes on, attaches to any spray can. Basically, fluid films like an undercoating spray. That they have a tip you can buy, put on here. It's like 10, 12, 18 inches long. It's like a hose, and it's got like a little nozzle that's got different openings in it. That way it just sprays as it comes out. A lot of people use it in body frames and stuff. So I ordered that to be here Wednesday, but I don't know about that. I just don't like that. That's funny about the paint. I'm gonna use that, go a different direction, use that POR 15. I've used that before. That's an awesome paint to go over and lock in rust. I've used it on my 2007 Chevy. Man, that stuff lasted forever. It's a good product, $37 for a box. It has a prep in there, has a cleaner in there, has the gloves, the foam brush, has the paint. It's gloss black. And I feel better about reaching back there with a paintbrush and painting that than I do spraying that because I can't see it. So I'd rather just paint it on there. And I know I'm going to get a way better finish and a way better seal with that POR 15 than I will with that SEM paint. I know that SEM paint's made for outside. It's a great paint, awesome paint. But what I'm doing here, where a lot of moisture is at, I want to do it right. And what I'll probably do after where I do the POR 15 is when it dries, it's still tacky, I will take the SEM and spray over it to cut down on some of that shine, which who cares? Nobody's ever going to see in here. I don't know what's funny about that, because I'm going to paint this while it's open with that SEM paint. So I might as well paint it, make it look uniform. It's just, I'm funny like that. But like I said, I don't have to, but I will. But that's that. Like I said, the hardest part here is the sanding, and then the cleaning out, and the prepping the surface, and getting the grease and all that wax off there, remove it. And then, like I said, this week sometime I'll get that POR 15, and I will start on that, and I will coat the whole inside of that, and I will spray this, and we will put her back together then, and I'll show you then. See ya.